about pharma as a healthcare stakeholder, as a healthcare player.
Okay.
Do you think that HCPs are ready for pharma, for the industry to play a bigger role in supporting care? In terms of being patient-centric, how would you maybe address their worries that there will be responsibilities that pharma would take over from them?
Well, clearly the healthcare environment is changing, and healthcare providers or physicians or even other kinds of lay health workers, have to really operate in the context of a more complex organization, right? So the decision making is more centralized, or there may be more of a focus on value or pricing or access, and so clearly there are different dynamics which are at play. I think that your question is a very important question, because I think that you really are speaking to how can you then understand the value that our healthcare providers are playing, particularly relative to the care that they provide to patients, and bring that together in a system in which you can create win-wins. And so I think that what's important in that process, again, is to be able to understand what the objective is and to be able to really tap into what's important for the physicians, and make sure that that's a part of the conversation, to make sure that what's important for nurses and health educators, and bring that to the table, what's important for patients, that's important in the process. We all have to do it together. And we can't do it one or the other, but we all have to come together and create a system in which there's synergy, because that's how you really move the value knob. It has to be valuable in such a way that people buy into it and people understand its impact and collaborate in such a way that who they are is valued and what they bring to the table is valued and what comes out is valued.